Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Papo coin. Now this is a Solana meme token that was just announced as getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is PAPO. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, in the swampy area that once served as the home of Pepe the Frog, long before he became a renowned crypto millionaire, the amphibian led a life of relative tranquility. He delighted in hunting insects, his favorite being flies, in this wetland that served as his kingdom. One day, among the numerous flies that were swarming, Pepe came across a particular species that proved to be more cunning than usual. After an unsuccessful attempt to capture her, a fly named Papo, Pepe swore revenge. So Pepe's obsession with catching Papo transcended the limits of his swampy home, reaching the bustling city. In their pursuit, both wreaked unexpected havoc on urban infrastructure. Despite Pepe's efforts, he was constantly challenged by Papo's cunning, who mockingly escaped his attempts again and again. Wreaked havoc, sorry. One day, Pepe's life took an unexpected turn when he met a respected crypto millionaire in the city. Guided by a tycoon, Pepe entered the intriguing world of cryptocurrencies, becoming the most famous token meme in the world. The frog, from humble origins, became the world-renowned star, generating wealth for his followers and admirers. And meanwhile, Papo continued his peaceful existence in the swamp until one day he decided to join the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. The rivalry between Pepe and Papo, now not only limited to the swamp but also extended to the crypto sphere, marks the beginning of a new phase in their peculiar confrontation. Now, if you go to their webpage, papocoinsol.io, you're going to find this big story here, but then you're also going to find like comic book pictures that go along with the whole story. It's a pretty cool webpage. This token is on the Solana blockchain. They have their contract address right on the page. They also have their socials on here, their Twitter, their Telegram. It says, if you have any questions, you can contact the team. Follow us on our social medias for the latest updates and announcements. Now, ticker symbol PAPO. It says 8% of the supply burnt. It says there's no taxes if you're getting this token in a decentralized way. Total supply of this token here is 420,689,899,999,994 tokens. Now, the roadmap here, starting with phase 1, it says, we promise to stick to our roadmap and achieve all of our goals. Stay tuned for updates and join us on this exciting adventure. So phase 1 is the website and social media launch. So creation of the Papo token, website launch, Twitter release, and Telegram release. Phase 2 is community building, connecting with partners, influencers, Ask Me Anythings, call channels, 1,000 members in the Telegram, and 500 followers on the Twitter. Then phase 3, Papo launch. So they had a pre-sale in SolPad, they said. Then listing on Raydium, DEX Tools chart update, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings. Phase 4 is the aggressive marketing campaign. So second marketing push, banner ads, DEX Tools trending, global marketing. Now, if you go to papocoinsol.io, like I said, you can find their socials. So their Telegram is at Papo on Sol, and they have 554 subscribers on the Telegram so far, so they're off to a good start here. They have their Solscan, and their Solscan looks like it's a different number because they said there's going to be burning. So right now, the actual current supply of this token is a million billion, so 385,772,632,807,237 tokens. So they burned quite a bit of tokens. Now there's 4 decimal places on this token. Now you can get this token in a decentralized way by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet with Sol, whatever decentralized wallet you use for Solana. Then going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Papo coin using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, papocoinsol.io. Now, you probably won't have to change slippage too much because it says 0% taxes. And it also may be available on other decentralized exchanges for Solana like Jupiter, maybe Orca. You might be able to get it off DEX Tools or somewhere else. But this token also, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing coming soon. Now, it doesn't have the exact date yet, but it says upcoming listing Papo coin will be listed on Lbank. So it doesn't have an exact date yet, but if you follow Lbank's Twitter, at Lbank_exchange, they're going to announce soon exactly when the listing date is. And then all you have to do is download Lbank, or if you already have an account, that's great, but you can get it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PAPO, and then simply just buy the token. You can also follow their Twitter, or I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen there, at Papo on Sol. 633 followers so far, and they just joined in February 2024. That's how big this project is already. It's very new, very big project already, getting a brand new central exchange listing. It says they almost have 1 million in volume so far. A tweet from 16 minutes ago says they already have over 1,800 holders, and this is just the beginning of their journey. Lots of updates on this Twitter, so have a look there. And I'm just looking at their Twitter, and it was also just announced that this token will be also listed soon on Bitmart. So Lbank, Bitmart, they're getting a bunch of brand new central exchange listings. They have some contests you can get involved with on their Twitter as well. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.